Dati, nangangarap lang ako tungkol sa lalaking mamahalin at makakasama ko habang buhay. Hindi ko akalain na ngayong araw na to, matutupad na ang pangarap ko, ang makasal sa lalaking matagal kong ipinagdasal sa Panginoon.
It's our wedding day. I've never felt so alive. When you take my hand and you look in my eyes, it's the best day of my life.
Mabel, I'm standing here today,
Wasted time,
pledging my life to you.
hoping you'd stay.
Because with you, I've experienced that truth. Masaya, minsan may pagsubok. Pero andito tayo sa ating mga pangako.
When I fall to pieces, when I've lost my way, when I need a compass, find me always. When I fall to pieces.
Dumaan man tayo sa maraming bagyo at pagsubok, matuloy lang ang araw na to, kinaya natin. At alam kong patuloy nating kakayanin at haharapin ang lahat ng problema ng magkasama.
I knew that I'd find you and love you forever. I'm undone, I'm the lucky one, and I love you forever. It's our wedding day. I've never felt so alive.
Yung naman ang pag-aalaga sa anak ng iligtas. Higitan mo. Sana lagi kang nagkakaroon po.
It's the best day of my life. No more wasted time, no more hoping you'd stay. We're together now, forever, always.
Whatever comes to me, whether I feel it or I succeed, so I have a partner giving all her love in every occasion. So I'm not afraid to walk in this path of marriage, whatever that means.